Hi friends, in this video let's see how to import and read an Excel file using Python Pandas package. I am using Jupyter Notebook as an IDE because it is very user friendly to play with data. You can use your preferred ones. Just make sure to install Pandas packages if you are using some other IDE. Let's try to open this Excel file, customer shopping data Excel in Pandas. It has the headings in the second row and we just need column from A till J because we have some unnecessary junk columns after that. Let's say in this condition we just need to limit our row count to 15. Now let's use Pandas to import that Excel. First, let's import the Pandas package. If we are using any Pandas function, we are supposed to mention it as pandas.that function. That's why I am giving this PD as an alias name. Now let's see what are all the required fields we need to import that Excel. The first one is file name. We need the entire path with the file name for this. Let me go to the path and properties. Here it will show our entire name with the path. Copy this and paste it inside the double quote. And then the second thing is with the sheet name. Open Excel, copy the sheet name, paste it. Then let's go into our read Excel function in Pandas. This df is the data frame which we will be using to edit, clean or load data into a different Excel. And the function to read Excel in Pandas is read Excel. Open bracket. First we need to give the file name and then the sheet name. The file name is the only required thing if we have only one sheet and a clean data. Equal to, we have our header in second column, so we are giving header equal to 1. Pandas will count from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Since we have the header in the second column, we are giving 1 as a header. And we just need the data from column A to J. To restrict this, we are using usecols. Inside this, we need to give A is to J and give a comma, and we need a rows till 15, so I am using nrows equal to 15, and we need to look into the data, so I am printing the data frame. Let's see how our data looks. That's it. We got our required output with 15 rows and column from A to J. To learn more about this read Excel function, please visit the official Pandas website. I'll share the link in the description of this video. Thank you.